snoring on a hot afternoon. See as this way. You didn't even put ya. My friend, you just stand up and stop this nonsense, yo. Which guy snoring with this? Eh?
Now you?
No. Now my ghost. Which guy snoring with that?
You cook?
You normal? I say which guy snoring with that? You ask me that I cook. Eh? Why will a full-grown man like you be snoring in a hot afternoon? So you dey snore, they won't put gear.
I snore.
No, you don't snore. You dey vibrate.
But I see, forget that thing.
As you forget that thing.
See, make I tell you something. My girlfriend, hey, God bless her. She love my snoring, guy. I snore for her, as in, na the thing where she see.
Wait, you dey hear yourself? No, now tell me, you dey hear yourself? Your girl love your snoring. No, tell me, your girl love your snoring. Now you dey tell me. I look like your girl?
See,
Huh?
let me tell you something about her. If I snore, when she like the snoring, she go enter kitchen, Baba, she go make me confirm swallow with fish, meat. You know that they like goat meat. You know this and guys, see,
They like goat
you
meat.
need to get girlfriend
meat.
like that, oh.
With chicken. Abi?
Well,
You dey like goat meat. I don't blame you. Now why you dey fat full everywhere with your pot belly dey snore? Because your girlfriend loves snoring, then she go enter kitchen, prepare your delicious meal with goat meat because they like goat meat. Then you go dey fat, dey full belly, dey snore. Abi? The day you stop snoring, no come. No, tell me, the day you stop snoring, what will now happen? She go stop to dey prepare that goat meat food for you so that you go dey chop, your belly go dey swell up, so that you be snoring. Now the second time I want you be this, if you try am again, if your belly I go cut and give you.
But guy, you make sense. Oh.
No, I don't make sense.
In this case now, what I go do?
What you go do? You dey ask me. Ask Google.
This guy, don't come drive. Where this clothes?
No go allow person sleep.